Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a reverse canvas. I have my canvas here and it's 11 by 14. I got it at Hobby Lobby in a pack of 2. I'll take my scissors and make a small cut on one side, and then I'll tear up the side and it should come off fairly easy. Once I get to the corner, I'll take my scissors and make another cut and then start on the other side. I'll do the same thing on all 4 sides, make a cut and then tear up the side. You can also use an X-Acto knife to make a cleaner cut. But you'll be trimming this side, so it's okay if you have some rough edges. And I'll continue around until all 4 of the sides of the canvas are torn away from the frame. Okay, so once I have my backing cut away from the frame, I can flip my canvas and take the rest of it off of the frame. And now we're ready to stain our canvas frame. For this project, I'm using Minwax stain, and the shade is dark walnut. I just take a bit of cheesecloth and I'll dip and just rub it around the frame. I'll go through the inside and the outside of the frame. You can also use a t-shirt, a rag, a sock to stain with. I just prefer the cheesecloth. It's cheap and then I can throw it away. I'll continue to rub the stain around the frame, the inside and the outside of it. You can also stain the back of the frame. After I've stained my entire frame, I'll let it dry for about 10 minutes and then I'll slip the piece of the canvas back over the frame. I recommend using heat transfer vinyl for the canvas. It has a permanent hold where I have found that 651 will often peel. Before I press, I'll put it in the middle of my canvas and then I'll take a tape measure and just make sure it's even on all sides. I'll then press with my heat press on 325 for 30 seconds. You can also use your iron or easy press with lots of pressure. I flip the frame and I'm going to put the canvas on the back to staple down. I'll make a quick flip to make sure it's centered onto the frame and then flip back to staple. I'm using a staple gun that I got from Walmart, and I'll staple the corners first. Make sure when you staple to pull the canvas tight on the frame. And then I'll continue to staple all 4 sides. After you've stapled around the frame and your canvas feels secure, we're going to cut away the excess canvas. I start at one corner, pull the canvas back, and then I cut against the frame. Continue around the frame until all 4 sides have been trimmed. And now we have our reverse canvas. So like the video if it was helpful, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and until next time, thanks guys.